Hi everyone, this is Raj Kumar. In this video, we'll see how we can install Jupyter Notebook in Windows, either in Windows 8 or Windows 10. So basically, you can use two different ways. Either you can install Anaconda. So from Anaconda, you can use Jupyter Notebook, or you can simply use your terminal by using your Python pip. You can install Jupyter Notebook. From both the ways, you can launch and use the Jupyter Notebook. So let's see how you can download and install Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda. For let's say if you want to use Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda, so first you need to go to this official website anaconda.com. From here you can simply download this particular file. It's the official website. So it's around 621 MB right now, so you can download simply here. After downloading, this is how you files would look like. Then just simply install and proceed with basic steps what it is saying. By default, just go through default procedures what it is saying. Simply click next. After installing, when you launch the exe file, you will get this type of interface. From here you can simply launch either Jupyter Lab or Notebook. You will get many options from here. So if you want to use Jupyter Notebook, simply launch from here. This is one way you can use Jupyter Notebook through using Anaconda. So the next way how you can install your Jupyter Notebook, or you can use Jupyter Notebook, is by using terminal. So for terminal, simply just open your command prompt. So just install some basic things. For installing this one, first you need to install Python. So for that one, you need to go to Python and you should install pip install. Before that, you need to upgrade your pip. So simply upgrade it. So as it is, as I already installed and upgraded these all, so it is saying requirement already satisfied. In your case, you might get lots of downloading and upgrading stuff, so be patient and it will keep upgrading all requirements. So simply you can launch it by typing Jupyter Notebook. So in some of the cases it is creating error, in as you can see in my case also. So for that one you can use other way for bypassing or opening this one. How you can do is like simply just type Python, just go, you can launch your notebook from here also. So it will just launch your Jupyter Notebook. So this is the way how you can install or use your Jupyter Notebook on your Windows system. So this is how you can install it. So that's it in this video. Hope you like this one. Thanks for watching this video.